Hi everyone, welcome back to Code with Kush YouTube channel. Today we are exploring the single destination shortest path problem. In this problem, how to find the fastest or cheapest way from anywhere in network to one specific target. Perfect for GPS, delivery apps and properties and more. Let's dive in. Okay, now, shortest path problem are super important in computer science. We use graphs to model real things like, for example, roads, internet connection, and in even also friendships. With even in friendship, we also meet some new people in everyday life, and we don't know who they actually will be. We are friends, but when somehow they will be our friends, then we build our friendship network within that peoples. And also there are two big version in this in there are single source and single destination, single source and single destination. Now the single source means from one starting point to everywhere, and the single destination is from everywhere to the one single fixed target. That's what we are focusing on today. These problems power navigation, logistics, and routing. Basically, anything where shortest and cheapest matters. In there we can see they are actually very close related in these two. Okay, now we see what is the single destination shortest path. The goal is very simple. We can get a given graph and one destination node, say node E. Find the shortest path from every other node to E. Okay, now the surprise part of here is uh, it's not really different from single source. The magic trick is reverse all the edges and directions. Now the destination become the source. Now the destination become the source, and we can use standard single source algorithm. There are reverse graphs and original graph to help from them. See how the arrows are actually flip. This gives us distance and path to target from everywhere. In this method, we can actually focus on one target from all other without any disturbance. The real-world application used this method in first one is GPS. What's the fastest way to the hospital from everywhere in your neighborhood? The GPS actually know how this direction and path going to in your destination. So the GPS is the real-world first application example in this problem, and also Uber. The Uber can dispatch the closer driver to a customer. And third one is computer networks. Route packets to a specific server efficiently. And finally, we can take an example as drones or robots. Find the best path back to the charging dock. These save time, food, and sometimes lives. This is the efficient way actually in the real world. So this is a very critical real world application used with this problem. To solve the single destination, we mainly use three algorithms used on reversal graph. They are BFS for unweighted or unit weight graphs, and also Dijkstra's for graphs with non-negative weights. They are most common in the maps, and also Bellman fault algorithm when there are negative weights or we need to detect a circle. The right choice depends on your graph's properties. We will compare them soon. Okay. Now, in this breadth search is perfect when all edges cost the same, likely steps in a maze or hops in a network. For a single destination, we run BFS backward from the target on the reverse graph. It explores level by level using a queue. So the first time we reach a node, that's the shortest path in number of edges. Super fast meaning time basically is linear, but it can't handle different weight. In this Dijkstra algorithm, this is a non-negative weights algorithm. Dijkstra is a classic for road maps and GPS. Assumes no negative weights. It uses a priority queue to always process the closest known node next. Greedy, but correct here. Uh, for single destination, they reverse edges start from destination. Time complexity with a good heat, very practical. Uh, this is the shortest path safely. You can see how this actually builds the cheapest path very safely. In this is the Bellman-Ford algorithm. In this algorithm is more general. It handles negative weights and can detect negative cycles. Actually, how this will happen? It realizes every edges one time, basically brute force updating distances. If you still improve on the uh, uh, with mass, negative cycle exists and no real shortest path. Slower means O we multiply by E, but essentially when negatives appear like some financial models of weight graphs. Again, a reverse graph for single destination. This is a powerful algorithm we are using in here. This is a quick decision guide. So in this here, we can say unweighted or same cost equal going to BFS, like bet first search. That is the fastest method in here. But non-negative weight extra is the best speed and accuracy balance providing algorithm. Negative weight or cycle detection is a Bellman-Ford. That is the good for negative weights and cycles. Now look at the complexities. BFS wins on the speed. Bellman-Ford on generality. In practice, the most real graph roads and use gauge star. Let's put all this together with a small example. Imagine five nodes like A to E and the destination is E with mixed positive and negative weights. The step one is reverse all edges. Reverse all edges means now E is the source and step two is because we have negatives then we can run Bellman-Ford from E. After relaxation, we get shortest distances to E from each node. For example, one path might be A to C, C to E, with the total cost is going to X. That can be a final distance or path. uh, the key lesson is in here is match the algorithm to your graph, then wrong choices equal to wrong or slow answers. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe and comment. Which algorithm would you use for the roadmap app? See you in the next one. Okay, good night.